guys a quick room tour. The ranch house is super cute. We love this place. The only thing is it got a little hot. You open the windows and there's a fan, but it's still pretty warm. But besides that, it's honestly so nice. They even give you toaster, hot plate, all their cooking needs, coffee, fridge. I'm doing a room tour really quick. Bathroom. And then the hot tub is super close. Yeah, we were super close to the hot tub. It was really nice. But yeah, it's a really cute, tiny little place. The sodas are only 75 cents. And this is out back. There's a little hammock. Oh, and it gets pretty dark, so you can see the stars at night. It's really cool. The only thing is I don't know why there's a grate, right? So be careful with your keys opening the door. But it's really cute. How many holes do you think? That's nice. It's tiny. Okay.